Akwande Mzansi, my name is Thando Mahlango, IsiNdebele elifundileko. Welcome to episode 5. Lapha I get to teach you Ndebele words in English, or I teach you IsiNdebele and then I translate them into English. Where I teach you IsiNdebele, I say something is in IsiNdebele and in English, so that you can learn how to pronounce IsiNdebele, or so that you know the word, namkhana the words in IsiNdebele, namkhana the names. Yes. Today I will teach you about the names that are sound similar but they are not saying the same thing. Okay, we'll start here. IsiGuluGulu. IsiGuluGulu in English, it's an O. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it correctly, but it's an O. O-W-L. Correct. Urhulumende. NgesiNdebele ngurhulumende. Then in English, it's government. When you say ngitsho urhulumende, in English you mean government. When you say nginerhuluphelo, you mean I have an interest into something. For example, let me put it into a sentence. I say nginerhuluphelo ekubeni nesigqoko esisigwaliweko. I mean I have an interest in owning a Ndebele art painted hat. Correct. Khomucha. Khomucha, it means igomotshele namkhana. It can mean interpret. Khomucha. Khomucha. Kongkhomutshele yona. I mean, interpret it for me. I didn't understand the language that you were speaking. Namkhana, I didn't understand the definition that you were saying, but I want you to interpret it for me so that I can understand it better. Khomucha, interpret it. Then khuna. When I say khuna, I mean shave your hair. Khuna, shave your hair. Yes, we are getting there, ne? Khunyeza. In IsiNdebele, we're saying khunyeza. It means shrink it. Namkhana khunyeza. It's a summary. Summarize it. Yes. Nangithi khunyeza, kongikhunyezele yona. I mean summarize it for me. Yes, that's correct. Irhunyezo. Nangithi mina yirhunyezo namkhana irhunyeziwe. In English, I mean abbreviations. It's an abbreviate, like abbreviation. Yeah, it's an abbreviation. Irhunyeziwe. And then khuba. When I say to you khuba, I mean moving slowly with your stomach, namkhana dragging your feet. Uyakhuba, no khubile, bakhamba ngamathumbu. Uyabona? Yes. Then nasibuya sithi khuwelela. Khuwelela. In English, I'll be saying scream. Yabo? Khuwelela. Hayi ziyakhwelela. Zibangitshata. It means it is screaming. Yeah. Khulu. Konje ngikutshelile ukuthi yini isiGuluGulu. It's an owl. Ngaleyo ndlela ke. Bakwethu, today's class, it will end here. Let's meet again on the next episode, which will be in episode 6. My name is Tando Mahlango. You can follow me on TikTok at Tando Mahlango _. Ngiyathokoza.